In this video, we're going to calibrate the IR filament sensor. The IR filament sensor on the extruder body detects if the filament has entered the Bondtech drive gears. This is key information for the control unit, and the print won't continue without the filament successfully detected after filament change. First of all, make sure that the filament is unloaded. Then unscrew the tube fitting on the extruder body. In the LCD menu, go to Support, Sensor Info, and the IR value is the one that we're interested in. Loosen the two M3 screws that are holding this tower. Then shift the printed part all the way to the left and make sure that the IR value reads 0. If it for some reason shows 1, consult the assembly menu and make sure that this part of the extruder is built correctly. Alright, now tighten the two M3 screws. Prepare the finished Allen key that you got with your printer, which is size 1.5 mm. Insert it into the extruder and push until you force the Bondtech drive gears apart. This requires a bit of force, and you definitely won't be able to do it with a piece of filament. You can loosen the idler a tiny bit if it's too hard to insert the Allen key. Okay, now the IR value should read 1 when the Allen key is inserted, and when you remove it, it should go back to 0. If the value doesn't change to 1 after inserting the Allen key, loosen the two M3 screws again, shift the tower a tiny bit to the right, and tighten the two M3 screws. And try again. That's it, you now have calibrated the IR filament sensor. Happy printing!